Welcome students. Today we will be discussing about logarithmic properties, and as a lot of my students tell me कि sir section में काफी confusion होता है, and these properties will come in very handy while you do differential equation or maybe solve integration, differentiation. Therein this knowing this is very helpful. So let's get started with the definition of logarithmic properties. By definition, if I say log b base a is equals to c, it means that a to the power c is equals to b. This is the standard definition of a log. For example, if I say log 100 base 10 is equals to what? Then by definition 10 to the power what will give me 100? It's going to be 2, because 10 square will give me 100. Alright, the property of this is that a is always greater than 0, number 1. The second property is that a will never be equal to 1. ये जो बेस है ये 0 से बड़ा होगा और कभी भी 1 के इक्वल नहीं होगा. These are the only two restrictions which this have. Alright, now here are the few properties which this log follows. By default each one of them has the base 10. अगर कुछ नहीं लिखा है then by default the base is 10. So in that case log a plus b is nothing but log ab. Like log 5 plus log 2 will give me log 5 into 2, that is log 10, and log 10 will be 1. Log a minus log b will be log a upon b. For example, log 100 minus log 2 will give me what? Log 50. Log a to the power r, in this case the numerator, the power can always come down here. So this can be written as r log a. Therefore, for example, log 10 square can also be written as 2 log 10. So log 10 will be 1, which is equals to 2. And this is what? Log 100. We even witnessed it over here that log 100 is 2. Alright. Again, log b base c can always be written as log b upon log c. ये वाला चीज ऊपर, base वाला चीज नीचे, and we can put whatever base we want in each one of them. But the bases have to be equal. It can either be e, it can also be 10, it can be anything what we want according to the situation given. There is another property which it follows. If you witness that r log to the power a r, then if this value and this value are the same, then the value of this is nothing but a, which is this element. So अगर ये वाला element और ये वाला element same होता है, then this element is the answer to this. So let's take down this question from determinants. We have to find out the value of this determinant. Basically simplifying these elements, this element and this element. Alright, firstly, so this is something which we know, log. This can be written as 8 cube. The base will be 3. This thing is log 3 base 4. Again, this thing is log 8 base 3. And this thing is again log 4. 9 can be written as 3 square. Alright. So we can see over here that if we take 3 here, like going by this property, going by property number 3, ये 3 को आगे लाया जा सकता है और यहाँ पे ये 2 को आगे लाया जा सकता है. So the same thing can be written as 3 log 8 base 3, log 8 base 3, log 3 base 4, log 3 base 4, 2. तो यहां से हम ये वाला एलिमेंट बाहर ले गए, यहां से हम ये वाला एलिमेंट बाहर ले गए, तो ऊपर में क्या होगा, log 3 base 4 into log 8 base 3 upon 1, and this is 3 1 1 2. The value of this determinant is 6 minus 1, which is 5, multiplied with log, this thing can be written as log 3 by log 4. This thing can be written as log 8 by log 4. Sorry, log 3. 8 base 3, तो log 8 by log 3, log 3 log 3 कट गया. Now this thing can be written as log 2 square, this thing can be written as log 2 cube. So in this case 3 will come down and 2 will come down from here. So it will be 3 by 2. So it will be 3 by 2 into 5, which is equals to 15 upon 2. Try this sum at home as well. Thank you so much for watching the video.